Hello, my name is Tom Brinsonoff, and certified master mechanic out of Reading, Pennsylvania. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a flat tire. You're driving down the road, let's say you get a nail in the road. Unfortunately, this tire does not, but we're going to show it to you real quick. What you want to do is get a pair of pliers and pull your nail out. Make sure you mark the tire as good as you can. Now this certain kit we have here, I picked up this morning at a local parts store. It cost me, I think, $10. This tool here is a little reamer. It goes down inside the hole. You push it down inside to where that nail was. You rub it back and forth a few times. Get that hole opened up just a little bit. You take your second tool here. Almost looks like you're knitting a blanket or something. You push this in through here. This gets a little tricky sometimes. Get about halfway up this little cork, as you will, and you fold it back. The easiest thing to do is just give it a little twist, make sure it's all nice and together. Take your little slime here, put a little slime on top of this. Now, obviously I'm not going to put this inside a tire because I don't have a hole, but we're going to show you for demonstration here. Just make sure it's nice and smooth all the way around the outside, and you push this down in the hole. When this point goes down in, it's got an opening on the tip of it. It goes down inside. This cork, as you would stay in there. And when you pull this back out, see if it's going to let me do it now. It's pretty slippery. This should be sticking out of your tire like this, doubled up. And what you want to do is take either a razor blade or a knife or something sharp. Don't pull it out. Just cut it off nice and flush with the tire. Maybe even an eighth of an inch sticking out of the tire. You can see about that much sticking out of the tire is good to go. And then all you got to do is just fill it back up with air. Spray a little water on the outside of where you have your cork. Just check and make sure you don't have any air bubbles, water bubbles, or leak. Fill it back up and make sure you got 35 pounds of pressure on it. As long as that's where it says right on the side of your tire, it's always marked there, your air pressure recommended. Fill it up, put it back in your tire, you're good to go.